How to create a CV on Canva. Canva is an app, so to install that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store or App Store of your phone. After going on the App Store or Google Play Store, on the search bar, you can simply search for Canva. Make sure you have logged in your Canva account by your Google account or Facebook account. Any of it does work. And after opening it, you will see an interface like this. After seeing an interface like this, on the top right section, you will see there is a search bar. For that, you can simply search for CV on the search bar. After searching for the CV, you will now see many options on your screen. After the pop-up of many options on your screen, just view everything and then choose your favorite CV option among all of this. So now what I can do is I can simply edit it. I can change the photo if I want to. I can even change the text and everything. You can edit everything from here. Like if I want to eliminate it, then I will just add crush and add anything that I want to. I will fill up my information. I will change my photo and every information will be changed by me. And after changing it, simply save it by tapping on the down arrow button. And on the top right section, you will see also there is upright arrow, which is the button of share. You can even share it on Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp, or anywhere. So yes, this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.